Are you tired of the tedious process of shaving or waxing to achieve smooth, hair-free skin? Hair removal creams offer a quick, painless, and efficient solution. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best hair removal creams that cater to various skin types and needs. Whether you have sensitive skin, need something fast-acting, or are looking for a cream with nourishing ingredients, we've got you covered. Stick around to find the perfect option for your grooming routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, NAD's Sensitive Hair Removal Cream. The NAD's Sensitive Hair Removal Cream is a dermatologist-tested option specifically designed for delicate skin. This cream works effectively to remove unwanted hair while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance, making it ideal for those prone to irritation. Key features: NAD's formula is enriched with natural extracts like aloe vera and chamomile, which soothe and protect the skin during hair removal. It is free of harsh chemicals, ensuring gentle performance even on sensitive areas such as the underarms and bikini line. Benefits and usage: this cream delivers smooth, hair-free skin in as little as 4 minutes. Its nourishing formula ensures your skin feels soft and hydrated post-application. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, leave it on for the recommended time, and then gently wipe it away with a damp cloth. Usability: NAD's Sensitive Hair Removal Cream is easy to apply and works effectively on various parts of the body, including the arms, legs, and sensitive areas. Its soothing properties make it perfect for first-time users or those with delicate skin. Durability: each tube of NAD's offers multiple applications, and its high-quality formula ensures consistent performance. It's a reliable choice for maintaining smooth skin without irritation. In the second spot, we have Olay Smooth Finish Cream. The Olay Smooth Finish Facial Hair Removal Cream is a premium option designed specifically for facial use. It delivers gentle yet effective hair removal, ensuring a flawless look without causing redness or irritation. Key features: this two-step system includes a protective balm and hair removal cream. The balm preps the skin, creating a barrier to minimize irritation, while the cream effectively dissolves facial hair without damaging the skin. Benefits and usage: Olay's formula targets even fine hairs, providing smooth, hair-free skin within 8 minutes. Start by applying the protective balm to the area, followed by the hair removal cream. After the recommended time, wipe it off and rinse your face for a refreshed, silky finish. Usability: the dual-step process makes it ideal for sensitive facial areas like the upper lip and chin. Its gentle yet efficient formula is perfect for achieving a polished look without the risk of razor cuts or waxing pain. Durability: Olay's Smooth Finish system is compact and long-lasting, with enough product for multiple uses. Its effectiveness and gentle care make it a worthy addition to your grooming essentials. Coming in at number 3 is the Sally Hansen Hair Remover Cream. The Sally Hansen Hair Remover Cream is a trusted name in the hair removal category, offering a quick and painless solution for unwanted hair. Its rich formula is designed to nourish and protect while delivering excellent results. Key features: infused with vitamin E and collagen, this cream works to moisturize and strengthen the skin during hair removal. It's suitable for all skin types and has a pleasant fragrance that makes the process enjoyable. Benefits and usage: Sally Hansen's cream provides a thorough hair removal experience in just a few minutes, leaving your skin smooth and hydrated. Apply a thick, even layer to the desired area, wait for the suggested time, and wipe it away with a damp cloth for a soft, hair-free result. Usability: this cream is easy to use and works well on various body parts, including the legs, arms, and bikini area. Its nourishing formula ensures minimal irritation, making it ideal for regular use. Durability: a single tube offers multiple applications, and its consistent performance ensures long-lasting results. Sally Hansen's reliability makes it a favorite among hair removal enthusiasts. Taking our 4th spot is Nair Cocoa Butter Hair Removal Cream. The Nair Cocoa Butter Hair Removal Cream is a luxurious option that combines effective hair removal with skin pampering. Its rich formula is perfect for achieving smooth, hydrated skin effortlessly. Key features: enriched with cocoa butter and vitamin E, this cream nourishes the skin while removing hair. It has a creamy texture and a delightful cocoa scent, ensuring a pleasant experience during use. Benefits and usage. Nair's formula delivers quick results, dissolving hair within minutes while leaving your skin moisturized and silky. Apply it evenly to clean, dry skin, wait for the specified time, and remove it with a soft cloth or rinse thoroughly for a velvety finish. Usability. Suitable for various body parts, including legs, arms, and underarms. This cream is perfect for those who prioritize skin hydration during hair removal. Its gentle yet effective performance makes it a versatile choice for all skin types. Durability. Nair's large tube provides ample product for multiple uses, making it a cost-effective and reliable solution for smooth skin. Its nourishing properties ensure consistent results with every application. And finally, at number 5, we have Veet Men Hair Removal Gel. The Veet Men Hair Removal Gel Cream is a powerful option designed specifically for men. It effectively removes coarse and thick hair, offering a smooth finish without irritation. Key features. This gel cream is enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E, ensuring skin protection and hydration during hair removal. It works quickly and efficiently, even on hard-to-reach areas, and is dermatologically tested for safety. Benefits and usage. Veet's formula removes hair in as little as 5 minutes, leaving your skin smooth and nourished. Simply apply an even layer, let it work its magic, and rinse off for a hair-free finish. It's ideal for the chest, back, arms, and legs. Usability. Veet Men's Gel Cream is easy to apply and rinse, making it a convenient choice for men who need a quick and effective grooming solution. Its formula is designed to minimize irritation, even for sensitive skin. Durability. The gel cream comes in a generously sized bottle, providing several applications. Its fast-acting and reliable performance make it an essential grooming product for men seeking hassle-free hair removal. There you have it, the top 5 best hair removal creams for smooth, silky skin without the hassle of shaving or waxing. Whether you have sensitive skin, need a quick fix, or want a nourishing experience, these creams cater to every need. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product reviews. Let us know in the comments which hair removal cream you're excited to try. Stay smooth and radiant.